So it is getting absolutely crazy for BlackBerry's stock once more, being up almost 5% on the day again, while pulling up after rebounds from the $16 mark. And that also means that we are potentially ready again to see some incredible runs on the stock, which were just insane in the last months. So what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is actually happening to the stock right and break down exactly whether it is a buy at the end of this video. But bear in mind that it is absolutely crucial to know what we have to talk about today before buying the stock, so stay tuned for that. Before we jump right in, however, just make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, let's start talking about the stock. So as mentioned before, BlackBerry was once maybe even the biggest technology and smartphone company out there, having a stock which performed incredible up to its highs in 2008. As new brands like Apple or Samsung however slowly came up, the company missed its opportunities to keep up in its smartphone business and experienced massive shorting of its stock. Its business then completely pivoted and now provides software and security to enterprises and governments, with a big focus on cloud services and machine learning. What is so crazy about the recent events, however, is the astonishing gains, first seen retail-driven in January. And we are talking about growth of more than 650%, who then however resulted in some pullbacks. But right now, it seems like the stock is recovering strong, pushing up 5% today, which then of course leads to the question of whether it's time to load up heavily on the stock again. Let's take a deeper look at the stock fundamentals first, as they are crucial to consider for our prediction at the end of the video. So back at the beginning of the year, for example, BlackBerry announced results for its fourth quarter of fiscal 2021 and reported sales of $210 million, a decline of 25% year over year, also being lower than Wall Street's revenue estimates of $245 million. The company claimed that it was in negotiations to sell a few of its mobile devices, messaging, and wireless networking patents to a North American entity. These talks meant, and this is also very important for the prediction at the end, that the company had to delay major sales activities that would have helped BlackBerry generate higher license revenues in the quarter ended in February 2021, however. Nevertheless, BlackBerry is a stock that has swung violently in recent months amid another reason, short squeeze frenzy. As mentioned before, retail investors have piled into this trade while striking it rich on short-term trading and options strategies. And to some extent, these strategies have paid off massively, especially when after recent jumps in price. But it seems like this could happen again, as the obviously real reason for the stock to be up so much right now is the new short squeeze attempt by retail traders. And while still being one of the most hyped stocks on Wall Street, that's a main attraction are Chen's automobile efforts, for good reason. Earlier this year, the big three automakers all warned a chip shortage was threatening vehicle production. This makes sense when you consider cars are now mobile computing devices full of driver assistance and mobile entertainment systems. But that's BlackBerry's opportunity. Its QNX operating software is embedded in 175 million vehicles, and that's likely only going to increase as self-driving technology moves into the mainstream. In our last video on the stock we took a deeper look at that, so make sure to check it out if you're interested in the new platform. So considering the mentioned company business, investors seeking a high-quality cybersecurity and embedded software player can't really go wrong with holding BlackBerry over the long term. Over the short term, some serious volatility is likely to be on the horizon. However, if this company can execute well on its upcoming deals, like the high-profile partnership with Amazon to develop BlackBerry Ivy for example, the company has the potential to grow into its existing valuation. Alright, with that being it for today's video, thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information to everyone here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. As mentioned before, it really means the world to us. Thanks a lot and see you next time.